Je suis une marionnette à ficelle, une marionnette. Je peux parler, chanter et faire des pirouettes. Ma tête est ornée de bouquets de fleurs. Le maquillage sur mon visage tressir que du soleil. Tu me trouves jolie, même si je suis faite de bois. Je me libérais de mon marionnettiste si je le pouvais, pour sauter de cette scène et enfin déployer mes ailes, mes ailes. Mais est-ce que je découvrirais que les gens là-bas ont des ficelles invisibles?
Paris la nuit, la musique chante si bellement mon cœur. J'aimerais toujours cette vie. Les jours.
And so the trick to getting a quick lap here is to be on the track at the right time and not get traffic. Now, those things are almost impossible to achieve. And then, of course, there's the lack of runoff. I mean, going down to turn one, you know, you're going very fast, and you're looking at the wall like that. The one of the most exciting bits is coming up the hill and going into the Grand Matinee and into the casino, because that corner goes on and on and on. You've got the barrier on the inside, and in the corner of your eye you can see the barrier on the outside, and you're trying not to look at that one, you're trying to look at this one. And then when you come out after having made it around Matinee into the open space of Casino Square, you think, oh, fantastic, we made it. And then you've got the next bit, and then you're going downhill. Honestly, it's full of excitement.
J'aimerais toujours cette vie. Les jours peuvent se finir et les années passées ne rien. J'ai jamais connu une fille comme toi qui me projette tout au long de la nuit. Oh. Certains disent que le speed de toi ne laisserait pas la misère et l'amour. C'est bien déguisé, je peux voir un peu briller dans ses yeux. Vers la nuit et son bord, quand on dit de Paris sous la lune, c'est juste bien déguisé. Il y a des journées sans pouvoir voir le soleil. Il y a aussi des nuits pas la lune.
What that little Gen 4 opportunity gave me was to drive Monte Carlo again as a circuit for 4 laps, which was really about 3 laps more than I wanted to do at my age, because it's a responsibility to go out and drive those cars, and plus I was being recorded for television, so I was trying to talk as I go around, which, I don't know, Mika, did you ever talk when you're in the car? I never, other than talking to the team, I never said a word to myself.
Well, I said one word, but I don't want to repeat it.
This track is actually very natural in its flow, because a lot of street circuits, modern street circuits, are quite sort of 90 right, 90 left, you know, they kind of fit them around the city as best they can. But this track was largely first used back in 1929, and probably it was paved over roads that horses and carts and people walking had found. And what that creates, of course, is a very natural flow. So although this is a crazy place to drive a Grand Prix car, it's actually an amazing place. And I would say my favourite circuit, to answer a question you didn't ask, is Spa in Belgium. But I would say my second favourite is Monaco, because in many ways it makes no sense. But as Mika's about to answer, when you're at one with the car, it just feels beautiful, doesn't it, Mika?
Yes.
Des nuits glaciales où on ne sait pas où dormir.
Le livre était rempli de nombreux mots, les phrases s'empilaient et éparpillées dans le classeur. Les questions pourquoi, les paragraphes se débattaient.
You've driven different generation cars. These ones are notoriously slightly smaller, lighter. Are they more fun to drive around here in Monaco?
I would say Monaco, it's always unique. I mean, these cars are not made to be driven on roads. People are driving at 50 kph and we go out there at 300 with the car vibrating and bouncing, three-wheeling. It might not sound fun when I say it like that, but it is really fun inside the cockpit.
You have a massive fan following. We saw 600,000 people in Buenos Aires recently. We see flags in the harbour on some boats, but we see some in here as well.
So starting the club was an Argentinian.
Exactly.
That roadshow was incredible. With 600,000 people, it was really a unique experience. I really did enjoy a lot. That was a very special moment for me, that one that I will not forget.
Écrire n'essaye pas.